supporting working families when it matters most, Cash and More. For over 25 years, Cash and More has been a trusted resource for working families in Santa Ana who need fast, reliable financial support during life's unexpected moments. Founded in 1999 at its Harbor McFadden location, the business has grown alongside the community, now serving multiple locations across Orange County while staying rooted in its local mission. At its core, Cash and More focuses on helping people navigate short-term financial gaps, especially between paychecks. For many working households, emergencies don't wait. Whether it's an urgent car repair, a medical expense, or rent, access to payday loans and loan advances can provide immediate relief when traditional options are unavailable or too slow. These services are designed to be fast, quick access to funds when time is critical. Simple, easy qualification process without unnecessary barriers. Accessible, built for everyday working individuals and families. Cash and More emphasizes treating every customer with respect and care, creating an experience that feels more like support from a neighbor than a transaction. Their philosophy is simple: help people when they are in a financial bind and do it with dignity.
This listing is brought to you by our Santa Ana. We help connect you with real people, real service, and real neighbors.